Hey, FactFox explorers! Today we've got two major world stories. One about hope after war in the Middle East, and another about a virtual superstar shaking up Hollywood. Let's dive in. Israel-Gaza War, from conflict to ceasefire. The war between Israel and Gaza began in October 2023. After a big attack by Hamas, it has finally reached a peace deal after nearly 2 years of intense fighting. It was a long and painful war that caused huge loss and suffering for both sides, especially for innocent civilians and children who faced food shortages, destroyed homes, and no schools. But now there's finally a sign of peace. In October 2025, a U.S. brokered peace deal was signed. According to the agreement, Israel will pull its troops back to agreed borders, and Hamas will release all living hostages. 20 Israeli hostages who were held for over 2 years have finally been reunited with their families. In return, Israel has released Palestinian prisoners. World leaders gathered at the Gaza Peace Summit, hosted in Cairo, Egypt, where representatives from almost 25 countries discussed rebuilding Gaza. After years of conflict, brings hope that both sides can start rebuilding lives, schools, and homes, and maybe a future of peace. Meet Tilly Norwood, the AI actress, taking over screens. From war zones to movie screens, our next story is straight out of science fiction. Meet Tilly Norwood, an AI-generated actress created by the Xicoia, the AI division of production company Particle 6. She made her debut in AI Commissioner, a short comedy sketch generated entirely by artificial intelligence. She acts, talks, and even performs movie stunts, all with the help of computers. But not everyone is happy about it. Hollywood's actor union says robots shouldn't replace real actors and that creativity should stay human. Still, Tilly has become a global talking point about how technology is changing the world of movies and entertainment. So, explorers, from peace deals to digital stars, the world is full of change, challenge, and creativity. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring. Only on FactFox Weekly.